Hello friends, welcome to my channel Soul Thrills. My name is Shilpa. I am from Hyderabad. In today's video, I am gonna explain you what are the things you can do in Gulmarg. The best time to visit Gulmarg for snowfall is just after peak winter, like December to February. Most of the people think like that Kashmir is unsafe for traveling, but there is nothing like that. Kashmir is absolutely safe for tourists. Before entering into the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please go and click the bell icon. Then you can get the updates regarding my next videos. My journey is from Hyderabad to Gulmarg. First of all, I booked a flight from Hyderabad to Delhi and I stayed one day there. The next day morning, I booked another flight from Delhi to Srinagar. It will take around 1 hour 30 minutes by flight. Reached to Srinagar airport. For pre-booking, I consulted Go Gulmarg Adventures and they sent a taxi to Srinagar airport for pickup. From there, it will take around 2 hours based on weather condition. I'm in middle way now. The snow is very slippery, so the taxi tires are skidding. So driver is tying chains to the tire and I am experiencing the first ever snowfall in my life. Reached to the hotel. It is around 7 p.m. now. Room is very nice and the view from window is awesome. Need to fresh up and it's time to have a dinner. morning from Gulmarg. See the snow, how nice. You know, the plants are totally covered with ice, white snow, it's a lifetime experience. Our guide is Tanvir. Right?
Could you come over and say I'd like to pull you in and never let go, never let go. My daddy had a bootleg. We can watch him, or not watch him. It's whatever. Do you mind if I ask you something? Do you blush as much as I do when I'm near you? I will let her see you, baby. Cherry, the dance is tonight. You lay your hand against my do you hear the beat of my heart? Sway side to side, oh love, we could be great, we could be everything we want. Do you blush as much as I do when I'm near you? I will let me see you, baby. Cherry, let's fall, let's fall. Where did I do? You sat close and your song said whispering, hey, are we together? It's erupting you. I looked at you, yes. We're held tight like some place for the rest of our lives.
Now I'm going to do skiing. I don't know anything about skiing before, but there are trainers available to teach you everything. They charge 2000 per person. If you want to go for advanced level skiing, there are so many packages are available and you can go through that. It is such a great experience to me, and if you are not able to walk on the snow, you may use sledger to go anywhere in the snow.
100 feet from sea level.
अच्छा.
The place name is Kongdori.
Okay.
और we are doing bonfire right now here. तो बहुत मज़ा ले रहे हैं हम यहाँ पर. आप देख सकते हैं, आप व्यू का नज़ारा देख सकते हैं.
हाँ.
तो आपको ये फील नहीं होगा कि आप कश्मीर में.
Oh.
यस.
The
तो आप खुद बोल
specialty of Kashmir.
या आप खुद बोल सकते हो, एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हो आपको ये जगह कैसे. तो अभी हम बोनफायर का मज़ा ले रहे हैं. इसके बाद कहवा वगैरह, कश्मीरी ट्रेडिशनल टी चलेगा, थोड़ा म्यूज़िक वगैरह भी हो जाएगा. ओके, तो मिलते हैं म्यूज़िक के बाद.
We are about to
Yeah,
enjoy
yeah.
everything here.
ग्रेट. और हाउ वाज स्नोमोबाइल राइड?
Superb. It's awesome. You know, really. Yeah. I enjoyed a lot.
ग्रेट ग्रेट ग्रेट. थैंक यू. चर्च आयो.
My voice is not coming. It's very cool. Just now we reached our hotel. See, by tomorrow what we will do. I feel very glad to visit this place, and I forgot to tell you one thing, guys. And you have to carry only postpaid SIMs. Here, other SIMs will not work. And one more thing, that snow boots and jackets are available on rental purpose. They may charge you 500 per day. In my next video, I'll explain you about Kondala phase 1, phase 2. And thanks for watching, and show some love by liking my videos. Bye bye.